welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi Best Sword. I'm a mom of three. I'm based in Italy. In this channel, I talk about life experience. I'm into lifestyle vlog and I used to show my small cooking. Yeah, it's been a long time I upload a vlog. So today, I'm going to drop vlog video for you people. Yeah. So today, I want to do many stuff. Yeah, if you didn't know, I'm a fashion designer. But I quit for now because you can see I put my baby for back, so I can't do many stuff of sewing now. But I have one object work that I need to do now. So I'm going to cut the cloth. It's just cutting. Yeah, it's not that much. I'm just going to cut it. Then I want to finish it today so that the person will come and take it today. Then later on, I go on and make food because I don't have any food in this fridge. So yeah, let's go. Yeah. I know you'd be like, what's she sewing? I'm sewing gathers cotton. Yeah, it's something like pleating. So I just go and rearrange it well so that I can give me the length that I want. So I go back and I make sure that I finish the cloth in time so that the person will come to take it. So after that, I just go on straight and I cook. Like seriously, I want to make egusi soup. So I'm trying to turn my egusi here because I don't want it to stay long for that line up. So I just go on and pick out the dirty out of the egusi because even if I want to buy egusi in African store, I just go on and buy the one with the never blend at all. So I just go on and blend my egusi straight to cooking. So I'm trying to pack my meat out of that pot. Yes. Then I go on and fry my fish. So I was trying to fry the stew for egusi. The vegetable I use for this egusi, I'm telling you, just be like ugu. It just be like African ugu. It's not even spinach at all. This is not spinach. I will show you in my next video what it looked like. Yes, so I just go and cut the vegetable. I get 3 ways where I tell you cook my egusi soup. I'm telling you. I will put the link on the description on how to cook egusi. But this is another way. I don't fry pan this at all. I just blend it and I put the meat water and I go and I dice it like this. So by the time I will finish cooking this egusi, I'll be asking back for work. He was like, please, can you just stop your mala? So, and I gave him the food. After that, I just go on straight and make fried rice because I told you I don't have any food in that fridge. Yeah, thank you for coming once again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.